They're supposed to come fix our street. So we pulled all the cars off the street and they did little patches like that. And I know the weeds have taken over. It's almost sad. Last 2 years I haven't kept up with them. We're gonna make a change. We might screw around. I might talk him into cutting that frame and we'll just get that cut today. Get her tacked back together. Got the welders all ready. Well, I think we just roll that back in there and get your jack stands ready.
Well, I'll tell you next week.
You're not gonna. You can cut that sumbitch down today, tack it back together. We got time.
Well, we gotta remove lines. Well, just that one line.
Well,
and you can take all this shit out.
Oh, I gotta work too.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Just undo that one and then those 2 bolts.
I'll just roll it inside where it's cool. We'll crank up the air conditioners and. Are you ready to cut that? Maybe I should ask that. I don't want to force you into something you're not ready for.
Might not hurt to have a little bit more.
So now I gotta go. You're just asking me to go buy more beer, huh?
I didn't say that.
Do you want me to take you to go get more beer then?
No, I didn't say that.
Well, we're having a communication malfunction here.
I don't
think we can cut that today and get it tacked back together? May not have the blocks on the inside, but we can sure get it good enough for what we're going to do that it's not going to go anywhere. If I fuck around here with the camera long enough, you'll have my job done.
A weed killer.
Oh, boy. Shh. Don't call the EPA.
That's a good weed killer.
Yeah, well, it's in the wrong spot. I don't have a problem with weeds there.
Well, you really won't now.
There's a lot of grinding disc on there.